Now observe one example. I am taking A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what you are going to get here, det A? Det A is equal to det of 2, 3, 4, 5. Now observe there. Take the product of this one, that is 2 into 5 minus 3 into 4, that is 2 5s are 10 minus 3 4s are 12, that is equal to, you got minus 2, that is det A you got minus 2. Next I am taking another matrix B here, that is 6, 9, 12 and 15. I am taken another matrix. Now here what you are going to get, observe there, det B is equal to det of 6, 9, 12, 15. Now this is nothing but again 6 into 15 minus 9 into 12. Okay. Now that is nothing but 6 15s are 90, 9 12s are 108. You got this one is the minus, what you got, observe there, 18. This is the det B. Okay. Now I am leaving space. I will come back for another bit here. Now here observe another matrix, that is A is equal to what I am taken. This is 1, 2, 3, 7, 6, 5, 3, 9, 2. Like this I am taken matrix. Det A is equal to this is. Now here you can calculate with any row or any column. Now what I am doing, observe there, this means here directly you have to take 1 power minus 1 power, here I plus j, no, minus 1 power I plus j if you are taking means minus 1, this is a 1 1 a 1 1, no, therefore you are going to get plus, and this one is minus, this one is plus. Now what you are going to get, observe there, here I am taking 1 into removing that row and column. Row and column if you are removed, what you are going to get, 6, 5, 9, 2. And this is minus 2 into, remove that row and column, you are going to get 7, 5, 3, 2. Again plus 3 into, remove that row and column, what you are going to get, row and column, 7, 6, 3, 9. Now expand this one, what you are going to get, 1 into, again what you are going to get, 6 into 2 minus 9 into 5 minus 2 into 7 into 2 minus 5 into 3. Further here plus 3 into 7 into 9 minus 6 into 3. Now what you got, observe there, here 1 into 6 2s are 12 minus 9 5s are 45 minus 2 into 14 minus 15 plus 3 into 63 minus 18. Now this one what you are going to get, observe there, here 1 into 12 minus 45. 12 minus 45 nothing but minus 33. And now next one is minus 2 into, here minus 1 plus 3 into, here 63 minus 18. 63 minus 18 means 45. Now what you are going to get, this one is minus 33 plus 2 plus 3 into 45. 3 into 45 is 135. Now what you are going to get, this you are going to get 104. What is this one? Det A is 104. Now here further observe one more 3 by 3 matrix example. Here I am taking determinant B. B I am taking as, det of B I am taking as, what I am taking, observe there, here 2, 4, 6, 14, 12 and 10. Next one is 6, 18 and 4 I am taken, another matrix. Now what you are going to get? 2 into, this is 12, 10, 18, 4. This is plus, minus, plus. Now minus 4 into, what you are going to get? 14, 10, 6, 4, plus 6 into, what you are going to get? 6 into this row and column, that is 14, 12 and 6, 18. That is equal, what you are going to get? Again observe there, this is equal to 2 into 12 4 ja 48 minus 180 minus 4 into 14 4 ja 56 minus 60 plus 6 into 14 into 18. 14 into 18. What you are going to get? 1 1 1, 4 8 12 and 4 8 32. That is 252. That is 252 minus 6 12 72. Now what you are going to get? Observe there, 2 into, that is 48 minus 180. 48 minus 180 nothing but 132 minus 4 into, again here minus 4. This is plus 6 into, now here 252, that means 72 means 180. Okay. Now here what you are going to get? This is 264 minus into minus plus. Here minus 132 is there, no? That's why you are going to get minus, and this is plus 16 plus here 18 into 6. 18 into 6 means 108, 1080. Then what you got? Observe there, now here 1080 plus 16, 1096. minus 264. That means you are going to get 2 and 9 minus 6, 3, and this you are going to get 8. That is 832. This is the modules of B. Sorry, det of B. Should not say the modules of B. Sorry. Okay, as I said, I came back again to the previous example. That is, what do we have? A is 2 3 4 5 and B is 6 9 12 15. Now det A, what you got? Det A is you got minus 2 and det B got minus 3 minus 18. Now I am written B, matrix B, as scalar multiple of the matrix B. I am written as a scalar multiple. That is, if I am taken 3, I am going to get 2 3 4 5. But 2 3 4 5, what do you have? Observe that 2 3 4 5 means A or not. That implies here what you got here? B is equal to 3A. B is equal to 3A you got. Now here what you can write now? Det B. Det B is equal to, that means det B, what is a det B? Det B, instead of B, what we can write? Det of 3A is equal to minus 18. Now minus 18 nothing but, can I write 9 into minus 2? 9 into minus 2. But 9, can I write here? 3 square into minus 2. That is det of 3A. Det of 3A is equal 3 square into minus 2. Okay, I'll again further move for the next example. Now here what is the A? A you got this one, 1 2 3 7 6 5 3 9 2. Now B you can write. Now what is a B matrix? B matrix, observe there what I am writing. B matrix I am writing as the scalar multiple of 2. If I am taken 2 common from the matrix, what you can write? Observe there, here 2 4 6 is there. That means you can write as 2. Observe there, here what is there? 2 4 6. That means you are going to get 1 2 3 7, 6, 5. Next 3, 9, 2. Now what is this matrix? 1, 2, 3, 7, 6, 5, 3, 9, 2. A or not? That's why you can write B is equal to 2A. B is equal to 2A you got. Now det A what you have? Det A is equal to what you have? Det A is equal to 104, and det B is equal to what you have? Det B is equal to 832. Now instead of B what you can write? Det of 2A is equal to 832. Now 832, can I write this one as 8 into 104? 8 into 104 nothing but this is det of 2A is equal to 2 cube into 104. 2 cube into 104. But instead of 104 what you can write here? That is det A we can write. That is det A you can write. That is det of 2A is equal to 2 cube into det A. And in the previous example you are observed, no? This is equal to what you can write now? 3 square into det A. Now here it is the 3. You got the 3 square as the order of the matrix is 2 by 2. Now here is the 2A. You got the 2 cube as the order of the matrix is 3. That means what we can write from this one? Det of Ka, where K is a non-zero scalar. Now that implies K power n into det A, where K is a non-zero scalar, non-zero real number. And n is order of the matrix. Matrix means here square matrix A. That means observe there we can use this as so many CET shortcuts. Here one more example I am taking. Find the determinant of that is a matrix what we are taking. Here I am taking a matrix delta is equal to det of 0 and sin alpha minus cos alpha, and this is minus sin alpha 0, and next one is here sin beta. Now this is cos alpha minus sin beta, and this is 0. Now here I am calculating the determinant of this one with row or column, what you wish. Now this one, this become plus, minus, plus. Already I said no, minus 1 power I plus j. Like that if you are expanded this one, 0 into det of, remove that row and column. If you remove that row and column, what you are going to get? 0 sin beta minus sin beta and 0. Next minus sin alpha, and remove that row and column. If you remove that row and column minus sin alpha, what you are going to get? Minus sin alpha, okay, and sin beta. Now this one is cos alpha, and this observe there cos alpha and 0. Next minus cos alpha, minus into plus, minus, minus cos alpha, and remove that row and column, minus sin alpha 0 cos alpha minus sin beta. Now this is equal to what you are going to get directly, 0 into something, 0 minus sin alpha into, expand that one, sin alpha into 0, 0 minus cos alpha sin beta, and minus cos alpha into minus sin alpha, minus into minus, plus sin alpha sin beta minus 0. Now what you are going to get, observe there here, if you are multiplied minus into minus, plus, that is sin alpha sin beta cos alpha minus sin alpha sin beta cos alpha. Both are gets cancelled. You will get 0. Here also one CET bit involved. What is the given matrix? Observe there corresponding elements of the, that means elements of the principal diagonal are 0 and corresponding elements with opposite sign. That means if you go for the transpose, you are going to get A transpose is equal minus A. That is skew symmetric matrix. Elements of the principal diagonal are 0 and corresponding elements are with opposite sign. You can remember it as the skew symmetric matrix. Now determinant of the skew symmetric matrix is 0. You should remember. Next example is calculate the determinant of delta is equal to cos alpha, sin alpha, and here sin alpha minus sin alpha, and this is cos alpha. If it is given like this, now what you are going to get, observe there, cos alpha into cos alpha, cos square alpha minus sin alpha into minus sin alpha minus sin square alpha. That is nothing but cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, that is equal to 1. And usually you will ask the question, this type of questions they are going to be asked for the 1 mark. Observe that. And when you are came to the PU level, that means 12th class level, please don't consider the length of the problem, whether they are giving 1 mark or 2 marks. That important in this one is the logic is the important in the question, but not length of the problem. Now he asked the question once, A is equal to what they are given, 1 2 4 2, 1 2 4 2. Then show that det of 2a is equal to 4 into det a. Okay, now here clearly we can go for the first time solving here method of CET. Now here k value, what is the k value, observe there. If you go for the k value, what you can write, observe there, k is equal to 2, no, k is equal to 2 and n is equal to also 2. Now calculate the det A. Det A is equal to what you are going to get, det A is equal to det of 1 2 4 2. Now what you are going to get, this one is 1 into 2 minus 2 into 4, minus 2 into 4, that is nothing but 1 2s are 2 minus 8, that is equal minus 6. That is det A is equal here minus 6. Now det of 2a, what you are going to get, det of 2a is equal to k power n, that is nothing but here 2 square you will get, observe there, 2 square into minus 6, that is nothing but 4 into minus 6, that is minus 24 you should get. Whether we are getting correct answer or not, we'll check now. Now 2a you have to calculate. If you are calculated, 2a is equal to 2 into matrix of 1 2 4 2, that is equal, what you are going to get, 2 4 8 4. Now det of 2a, det of 2a is equal to det of 2 4 8 4. Now what you are going to get here, det of 2, that is 2 into 4 minus 4 into 8, that is nothing but 8 minus 32, that is equal to, you are going to get minus 24. Now check the answer. This is the minus 24 and you got the minus 24. That means what you can write, observe here, minus 24 you can write as the 4 into minus 6, that is det of 2a. Now therefore det of 2a is equal to, what you can write now, 4 into minus 6. What is the minus 6? Minus 6 nothing but det a is equal to minus 6. Therefore you can write 4 into det a, hence proved. Here I am moving to one more problem, that is find the value of x if det of x to 18x is equal to 6 to 18 6. Okay, in this type of problem usually people are going to be make blunder mistake, where means they are going to be equate the corresponding elements. 8 is equal, x is equal to 6, they will write the, usually this type of questions are seen in the entrance examination, they are going to choose directly x is equal to 6, they won't think more. But observe there, what we are discussed at the beginning of the exercise, beginning of the chapter only, we are discussed that, what we are discussed, determinant is a real or complex number, real or complex number. Now it is not the matrix to equate the elements, That's why be careful, don't equate the elements, but you have to solve this one and get the value of x. Now what you are going to get? X into x is the x square minus 2 into 18 is equal to 6 into 6 minus 2 into 18. Now what you got? X square minus 36 is equal to 36 minus 36. This plus 36 minus 36 gets cancelled. Now x square is equal to 36. X is equal to root of 36. Therefore x is equal to plus or minus 6. Observe their options. You got options 6 plus or minus 6 minus 6 and none like of these options you are going to get. Suddenly if you are choosing first option as a 6 is the answer, which is going to be wrong answer. And observe one more example. I am writing here a is equal to data of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If I am taken this is the determinant. Observe that still I am calculate all the problems with respect to row 1 only. I am taking here column 1 here for the some change. Now what you can write? This one is the plus and this one is minus and this one is plus. Therefore 1 into remove that row and column. If you remove that row and column, you are going to get 5, 6, 8, 9 and minus 4. Remove that row and column. If you remove this row and column, 2, 3, 8, 9 and plus 7 and remove this row and column, what you are going to get? 2, 3, 5, 6. Now calculate this one is 1 into 5 into 9 minus 6 into 8 minus 4 into 2 into 9 minus 3 into 8 plus 7 into 2 into 6 minus 3 into 5. Now here what you are going to get? 1 into 5 9s are 45 minus 6 8s are 48 minus 4 into 2 9s are 18 minus 3 8s are 24 plus 7 into 2 6s are 12 minus 15. Now what you are going to get? 1 into this is minus 3 minus 4 into minus 6 and plus 7 into here minus 3. Now what you got? This one is minus 3 plus 24 minus 21. That is nothing but 24 minus 3 minus 21 minus 24. Then answer is you are going to get 0. But why I am taking this example means observe that here also one CET bit include 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means if you are elements, if you are consider either row or column, that means elements of all rows or all columns are in AP, then that value of the determinant is 0. That's why I am taken this example.